guys, welcome back to my channel. If you ain't a subscriber, why haven't you subscribed? The button's just there. Click it, help your girl out. Anyway, today's video is this halo cut crease, well, as the title says, specifically catered to hooded eyes. If you ain't got a hooded eye, bye bye. That was off the top of my head, freestyling and all of that. Anyway, yes, this video is for my hooded eye ladies and gents. Very detailed, showing you exactly how to achieve an halo eye. It's so achievable, it's so easy. So if you want to see how I do it, then stay tuned. I've put tape on my eye only because I want that really sharp edge. So I'm going to go in with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre and I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. I'm taking my face powder in dark deep and I'm just going to use that just underneath my brow as my transition colour. I'm now going to take this purple colour here, Zobol, and I'm going to pop that just on the hood of my eye. So when I close my eyes, it's going to be about there, just above the hood. When applying eyeshadow, you want to make sure that you raise your brows just so that colour gets everywhere, because if you do it when your eyes are relaxed, you can then miss some skin, and then when you go to blink, like, you can see your skin showing through. So make sure you always raise your brows. You want to bring your colour quite high up. Depending on the eye look will depend on how far up you go. If you've seen my previous video, my colourful full look, I actually go all the way to my brow. That's because I was using about 2-3 colours, but where I'm just using this one colour as a main colour, I don't need to go so high up. I'm using a morph brush, there's no number on it. I got it as part of a set from Beauty Bay. Next I'm taking this dark brown shade here and I'm going to apply that on the inner and outer corner of my eye, and also when I relax my eye, just here where the hood folds. Because we've lost some of that intensity of the brown, I'm going to go back in and deepen up the brown. Make sure you blend the two colours together. This is where you want to start being more precise with your application. I'm now going in with this shade here, which is Zola, and I'm going to apply that right in the center. I'm using the old MAC 239 brush. So you just want to pat it on first, and then you can start being more precise. So getting right close to the line you created with the concealer. If you need to, then change up your brushes to get really close, because eyeshadow brushes tend to be a bit thicker. So you can go in with the same brush that we used for the concealer and get right on the line. Then blend that colour into the purple. Can you see throughout this whole process my eyebrows have been raised? You want to make sure that you raise your eyebrows just so that you can see where the eyeshadow is being placed, because there's no point in doing it with your eyes closed. Then once you open your eyes, everything's done, you see bits missing. We don't want that. We want to get it right first time. I'm now taking my NYX Slide On Glide On pencil in jet black, and I'm going to put that on my waterline. So taking that shade Zobo and this brush by Crown, it's the C138 round crease brush. I'm just going to apply that underneath my waterline. So I'm just going to go in on the two corners. So I have this piece of skin, the medical term for it is an epicanthus. So if you see here, I have skin that kind of covers my tear duct. It's common in like Asians basically. So I don't know where I got it from. My granddaddy's not Chinese, so it's a throwback from somewhere. I don't know. So why I even mention that is I have to pull my skin and then apply the eyeshadow so it gets right in there. Taking the same brush, I'm going to go back in with the brown and do the same thing, just that I'm not going to bring it as far in as I did the purple. Then I'm going to apply that blue shade Zola right in the center. So this is the final look. Might make this a slow-mo. Let me just slow-mo it myself. Yes, hooded eye ladies and gents, halo eyes can be achieved. You can pretty much do any eyeshadow. It's all about placement and where you put the product. So that is it. If you want me to film other videos, cut creases or anything like that, then please do leave a comment down below and I will definitely do that for you. For my lips, I couldn't be bothered to put the lipstick on, so I had lip balm on already and I just put a bit of MAC's Nightmoth liner all over. That was it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You know how your girl does. So, as I said, if you want me to film any other looks, then please do leave a comment down below. Like this video, subscribe if you ain't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video.